What's up, everyone? It is Sunday, and we are here at the Monster Hits Club to do a little MLB playoff mixer break number 99. Almost to that century mark. I'm your host, First Pitch Mitch, aka Money Mitch P. Thank you guys for filling this up. Actually, I have to give away a spot because I must have only put 29 spots in the store by accident. I went through it like 5 times, and there's definitely only 29 purchased spots here, so somebody will get a free spot. So when I do the random we'll do a free spot random as well as the names. So the top 2, what we'll do is, I'll get into it in a second, but the top 2 spots, the top spot will get, when I do the names, the top spot, spot 1 will get a free spot. Spot 2 will go into the rewards break. So, here you go, guys. And here is everyone that grabbed the spot. Thanks again to everyone who grabbed the spot. And as you can see, I am 1 short. I must have only had 29 in the store, like I said. So here are the boxes that we got for this break. A box of 2020 Bowman Chrome Hobby, 2020 Bowman Hobby, 2020 Bowman First Edition, and of course the very, very elusive finest flashbacks from 2020. So that's what we're here to do. That is break 99. That is the MLB playoff mixer. I'm going to be loading another playoff mixer, slightly different from this one, but I think it'll be fun. Alright, so without further ado, well, first, it wouldn't be a Monster Hits Club break without something to sip on. So let's start this off properly with a little IPA. That is the sound of victory. A little sip. And now let's rip. Alright, guys, hope you guys had a great Sunday. Watch some football and all that good stuff. Alright, so let's do this. Here is the rewards break. We're up to number 4. So right now I'm just going to pull anyone who bought 3 spots or more automatically gets a spot. So Adam gets 1. And then once this, I haven't even decided what this is going to be yet, but it will probably be a hobby box of some sort once I figure it out as we get a little closer. I'll let you guys know. But as of right now, we're just working on filling it up. We're going to be about 1/3 of the way there after this break. So, like, anyone who bought 3 spots automatically gets a spot. And then, like I said before, I random off a spot to every break, 1 person. So what we'll do is I'm about to random the names to see what order and what teams you guys get assigned. The top spot on the randomizer will get this last spot here. Actually, I got to do that first. Alright, forget it. Alright, I'm going to do a quick randomizer. Top spot on the random gets the free spot. Number 2 will get a free spot in the rewards break. So let's just bring up a fresh dice roller. We're going to go, I don't go 2 times. We're going to go 4 times. 4 times a charm. Alright, so this is not for the team, just to see who gets the free spot and the rewards break. Then after I random this, we'll do the teams and the spots and see what teams you guys get assigned, alright? Let's go. 4 times. 1, 2, 3, and 4th and final. Top spot. Adam gets a free spot. Juice box goes into the rewards break. That was easy enough. Juice box. And then Adam. What I'm going to do is unrandomize these by name. Oh, Jesus. Adam gets the last spot. And now we will will re-roll to see what teams you guys got. Okay, we're going to go 5 times on the randomizer. We'll see who gets assigned what teams now. And there's everyone who grabbed spots. 1. 5 times. 2. 3. 4. 5th and final is Juice Box down to Wild Bill. Alright, now we'll do the teams. Good luck on the teams. Again, we will go 5 times on the teams. We want 5 times on the names. And we'll go 5 times on the teams. Here we go. 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And we got the Braves down to the Tigers. The Tigers, Braves to Tigers. All right, Juice Box, you got the Braves and Orioles. Verzel, you got the Astros. David Hall with the White Sox and the Dodgers. Hirsch, you got the Yankees. Mikey Mayers got the Mariners. Not bad there. David Brown with the Padres. Brian got the Blue Jays. Rob, you got Twins. Adam Royals. Frankie D. Reds. Jason Marlins. David Hall Rangers. Adam Phillips, or Adam. I don't think there's another Adam. I could just say Adam. Red Sox. Verzel Diamondbacks. Juicebox Rockies. Hirsch Cardinals. Ron, you got the Pirates. Timmy's the Brewers. Angels to Jason. Adam, you got the Giants. Hirsch, you got the A's. Ryan, Mets. Brian, Indians. Juicebox Cubs. Adam with the Phillies and Rays. And Frankie D with the Nats. And Wild Bill with the Tigers. Tiger style. All right. I will put the teams up on the screen. Then we're going to rip, sit and rip. But first we got to snip. Oh. All right. All right, I think we'll start with the 2020 Bowman Hobby. Then we'll do a little 2020 Bowman First Edition. Then we'll do the 2020 Bowman Chrome. And then we'll close it out with the finest flashbacks. That will be the order that we go in. And we are ready to rock, guys. We are ready to rock. If you guys want to do any trades, I know there's only a handful of you guys here. Just, let me know. Work it out. And then I'll be happy to accommodate any trades. But we're here to party now. Party. All right, here we go. We'll start with this bad boy. I'll tuck you guys over here for now in order. Going like that. We are going like that in order. All right. We could do auto guesses. We got a few people in here now. 7 people. Your auto guess. Let's see. Do an auto guess for this box. There's only autos in Bowman and guaranteed in Bowman and Bowman Chrome. So we'll do is one auto guess. Will be good for the entire break. And then if your auto comes up, you'll get a free spot in the next playoff mixer that I list in the site. What's up, Timmy? I'm shipping all cards in this, guys, even the base this time. Because there's so much with the first edition anyway, so I'm just going to sort it all. It's just easier. Sort it all tomorrow. Ship it out tomorrow. Unless you don't want your base cards, and then just let me know. Some people don't like base. Some people love it. Some people don't. Alright, let's get some cards on some pedestals. Let's pull some monsters. Dylan File. Oh, we got yellow. Haven't seen a yellow in a while. That is a bright yellow, like the sun. All right. Good luck, everybody. Sip for the auto. Oh, I can smell the fire. I just opened the window. I can smell the fireplaces. Real nice. Love that smell. Alright, let's see what we got. We got yellow in this pile. Just adjust the camera angle. Did I just lose the other camera? Good lord. As soon as I adjust one camera, I lose the other one. There it is. Alright. We're back. We are back. Alright, let's rock. Chet rookie, Kyle Lewis base rookie cards. Jordan Groshans Atomic. That's the box hit Atomic, not numbered. Laura. Yellow is Whit Merrifield. Yellow paper for the Royals. What's up, Jose? Bobby Witt paper. Jason Dominguez paper. Xavier Edwards, first Bowman Chrome. Let's see if somebody's up. Oh, good. I'm glad, Jose. There's so many NFL rookie. I don't think I've ever seen a rookie class where the rookies are like making an impact on games in so many different games every week. It's like this is the craziest year I've ever seen with the amount of rookies that are actually performing and making an impact. It's kind of nuts. Kind of nuts. Right. Put some base paper, colored paper, atomic. Alright, next pile. Bobby Dalbec, sky blue paper for the Boston Red Sox. Where is the autograph? It's hiding. Apostle, first Bowman. Alright, it's gotta be in this last stack, so let's get a sip. Let's get a little sippy. Clear the table for hopefully some heat here. It's gotta be in this little stack right here. It's gotta be right here. Nothing yet. Luis Robert, rookie. Here it is. Nope. Did we get Steph? Nope, here it comes. It's a Brendan McKay. Wow, orange, guys, for the Rays. That's a good start. An orange Rookie of the Year favorites is kind of dope. I'm just going to put that out there. And the Rays are Adam. Yep. Your cold streak's over there, Adam. Coming out of this one, guns a-blazing. With an orange. Another Lubob right there. That'll close out the hobby box. Oh, what did I say was next? The first edition? I think I said was next. Right? Yeah. First edition, and then we'll do Bowman Chrome, and then Finest Flashbacks. Alright, let me sleeve these up. Adam may not be watching. Surprised he's not all over that right now. Good start. Good freaking start right there. Ain't nothing wrong with an orange auto to start the break off. Nothing wrong with that. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Alright, first edition up next. Good luck. Let's pull something sick out of this. I got a bunch more first edition, guys. So. This will probably start making its way into more mixers as Finest Flashbacks is starting to dry up quite a bit. I don't see much Bowman Sapphire out there anymore. Top Sapphire may start entering the equation, I'll see. But I think Bowman First Edition may start finding their way into some mixers. There's a JD right there. Number 1. 1 down for the Yanks. Where are the Yankees? Is it Hershey? Is Hersh here? I don't think he's here. I don't think I saw him jump in the chat at all. All right. Another Dominguez. Number 2. Hersh over here with 2 already. Oh, is that gold? We got gold. We got some sort of gold foil, it looks like. Alright. First edition. Sit for some more heat. All right. An orange auto so far. That was at a Bowman Hobby. Now we're into the first edition. So this is the second box. We have not even seen any cards yet. Luis Robert. Luis Robert, sky blue foil. That's nice. Very nice for the White Sox. Just put that right there for now. So we'll sleeve this guy up. Alek Manoah, sky blue. Okay. Oh, we got an orange Miguel Amaya for the Cubs. Orange foil, that's 25. Nice hit there for the Cubbies. Tristan Casas, sky blue foil. Oh, Blue Mize. That's to 150 for the Detroit Tigers. sleeve up Tristan while I'm here. Franco. Wander Franco foil. Sky blue. It's so pretty. Over here. Hang on, guys. Huff. Nice. Some nice sky blue foils coming out. Little Nolan Gorman. Okay, I think we saw those. Oh, we got yellow coming. Some Bayron Laura, first edition. Wow. Bayron Laura, it's a 75 for the Rangers. It's a nice little ditty right there. Who's got the Rangers? Where's the Rangers? David Hall. Very nice. That's a nice little hit, guys. Very nice hit. That centering looks solid on that, too. If I do say so myself. There's a Wit. Luis Gill. Yankees sky blue foil. And we got another JD. That's the third one in this box. Number 3. Wow. Pretty nuts, man. 3 JDs. 1 box. My phone's blowing up. Sorry, guys. Did I go through these already? I think I saw these already. Yeah, sorry. I'll go through them again. Oh, yeah. These are the ones. I almost took you guys through all the cards we looked at already. Blue, Keibert Ruiz. To 150 for the Dodgers. Blake Rutherford, sky blue for the White Sox. All right, last little stack. I think there's gold in here. right here. I think that's a gold, so I'm going to put that to the bottom. We'll do a little 3-card Monty action there. Let's get a little sip, actually. Sip for my homies and that gold. Hopefully it's a good one. Hopefully somebody's going home a happy camper. Well, you guys... Wow, there's a lot of good foils in this. Killing it. A lot of good foils so far. A lot of top prospects. That's always good. We got a foil at the bottom here. Let's see what we got. Sky Blue. Oh, I see who it is. It's Gus Varland. Sky Blue. I recognize that pose anywhere. You see him peeking out? That sneaky bastard. Gus the Bus. Buzz Varland. Okay. Yeah, sure you are, Mark. Mark, stop harassing the chat. There's a Poisson. Elliot Ramos, Sky Blue. Alright, we got gold. We got gold. I don't know. There's a Luis Robert. Joe Adele, another nice Sky Blue. Alec Thomas, Sky Blue. Brennan Davis. Alright, here we go. Gold coming. Gold coming. I don't know if it's an auto or just a gold shimmer, foil. Wow, that's a nice one, guys. Woo! This is a hot box. Well, Rushman Gold, baby. It's a 50 for the Orioles. Who's got the Orioles? Juice box. Nice. Nice. That will demote Luis Robert for now. I got more pedestals. I just too lazy to grab them. That was a nice gold. That's how you end. That's how you end a box, guys. That's how you end a box. That is how you end a box. That was a very nice box. 3 Jason Dominguez's. Bunch of good color. I mean, I'm not complaining. Kind of sucks. Only one Poisson and one Witt, though. So that's the only bad thing, I guess. Not as many as those guys, but it was definitely a good box. That goes there. And that goes over there. Alright, Bowman Chrome coming up. Coming in hot. I don't think Matt is watching right now, Frank. But I'll reach out to him on Twitter. Or I'll give you his handle. You could reach out to him after. Just shoot me a message. I don't think he's on. I didn't see him jump on. What's up, Scott? Alright. Base. Let me just sort some of these out. I want to put the color with the colors. Sky blues. Blue, orange, sky blue. These are paper. Alright. So far. So we're halfway home, guys. Halfway home. Alright, we got a couple more autos now. The auto guess is kick into effect. If you just joined, feel free to do an auto guess. It's going to be for free spot in the next mixer, which I'll probably be putting in the store tomorrow. It's going to be kind of similar to this. I don't have any more Finest Flashbacks. I think it's going to be an HTA instead of Hobby. I'll have an HTA box. I don't know what else I have. I think I have another. Yeah, I do have more. There'll be more first edition, HTA, and then I got to figure out the other 2 boxes. I don't know what they are yet. Those are definitely going in. Then we have an HTA case that's pretty close to filling. I'm randoming back the Rangers by the box in that. So if you buy a spot in the HTA full case PYT, I believe it's break number 100 in the store now. If you buy a spot, you automatically get an entry to win the Rangers in one of the boxes. The more spots you buy, the more chance you have it. Obviously, more chances you have it getting the Rangers for some boxes. But it goes, I think it goes pretty cool. I mean, it's pretty cool. It goes pretty cool. That didn't make sense. Works pretty good that way. I want to say, I'll check, Bill. I think there might be 3 or 4. I can't remember on the mosaic. I'll check right now. Oh wow, there's 5 left. I was way off on that. Why did I think there was only 4 or 3? Jeez. All right, let's rock. We got purple right up top. I think that's an auto, so I'll put it to the side. All right, we got 2 autos here, and let's pull some heat. Let's pull some heat. Some of these hobby boxes have been having 3 autos in it. I've opened up a bunch that had 3. Yusniel, I can never say his first name, Diaz. Oh, there's the purple. Wow. Chandler Redmond, that's a decent purple auto. Purple's not my favorite color, but it's a nice hit for the Cardinals. The Cardinals are... Where's the Cardinals? Damn, I gotta sort this by alphabetical name. Hirsch, again. Hirsch having a hell of a break tonight. Hirsch ate his fucking Wheaties this morning. Or he's drinking some IPAs or White Claw mangoes right now. Guzzling them. Guzzling some mangoes. So the rest of that box on this, which was a Shane McCarthy regular purple refractor. Oh, Hirsch, you're just in time. You hit 3 JDs last box in the first edition. Let's get a sip for the next auto. That might be the purple shimmer. Jose Berrios refractor for the Twins. Purple shimmer is Medina for the Phillies. And our final auto is Vaughn Grissom for the Braves, so not too shabby. Base auto for the Braves. The Braves are Juice Box. Juice Box is having a solid break tonight as well. Solid ball player right here. He recognizes pitches early. When that's the first sentence, you want to stash this guy. That means he might have what it takes. He might have what it takes. Yeah, Hirsch, you're having a decent break, man. Alright, now I'll go pack by pack on this last one since it's the last break. I mean, the last box in the break. Do a little pack by pack action. Okay. Alright, guys. The main event for the evening is Finest Flashbacks. This is my last box. I don't know if I'll be getting any more. Oh, you know what we could do? Since nobody guessed autos, let's do the old school box topper guess. Box topper guess for a free spot in the next MLB Mixer, Playoff Mixer, number 2. Box topper guess. I will open it up last. Good luck on this last box. And we'll go pack by pack. Juan Soto base. I sleeve and top load the stars out of this, guys. I don't care if they're refractors or not. These are cool. I mean, some people don't like these. I like these cards, though. Some people don't. I'm still waiting to pull somebody a black Luis Robert refractor out of this. That would be phenomenal. Dustin May, rookie. And we got gold Odor. That is not who we wanted there. Guys, why don't Yelik's cards sell for more? I don't understand why his cards don't sell for more. Is it because he plays in Milwaukee? I don't get it. I feel like his cards should be way more valuable than they are. Can we discuss that? I know, but still, it shouldn't affect it that much. Even before that, his cards weren't probably selling for what they should have been. If that makes sense. That's really what I meant. Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Maybe the market. Tatis. Tommy Pham. Yikes. Not really good. Well, I gotta tell you, the last time we had crappy refractors like that, we pulled a freaking gold Trout auto, so I'm not promising anything, but those are less than spectacular refractors. Hopefully there's another red or black or an auto in this, because that was, I mean, that's kind of rough. That's a rough box right there. When they only guarantee you 2 refractors. So those are 2 guaranteed refractors. Anything else is bonus. Is that yours, Hirsch? The one that Tim is talking about? The gold Trout auto? I thought it would be worth more than that. How many days are left in the auction, Timmy? Oh, you're following it? Not yours. Got it. Glavden in the safe. Oh boy. What did it 9? Did you go to BGS? I can't remember. Oh, we got a black. Yes. Yadi or Molina. Not bad. Cardinals again. That's number 25. Yadi. I hit a base so far, Dave. Alright, that may be it for this box, guys. Hopefully we pull a Kyle Lewis or Gavin Lux or Luis Robert. There he is. Okay. Alright. Alright. White Sox. Where are the White Sox? Why can't I find the White Sox? Why am I so bad at finding the team? David. Here you go, David. David Hall. Alright, last 2 packs. Last pack. And yeah, that's a nice way to end it right there. A little Kyle Lewis. Alright. A little redemption towards the end. A couple of decent rookie cards. We got a black refractor, even though it wasn't the greatest hit in the world, but it could have been worse than Molina. Way worse. Could have been Odor. Alright. Alright. And then let's take a look and see who we got for the box topper and see if anyone guessed that right. I'll do a quick recap. And you guys can go and enjoy Sunday Night Football. Box topper is, I don't want to look. Oh, wow. Marte for the Diamondbacks. I don't think anyone guessed him. Verzal, but I don't think anyone guessed him. Alright, recap. Thank you guys for grabbing your spots. Congrats to the hitters. Let's start with Bowman. I think I have Bowman Chrome under here too. I do. Silly. Alright. Here's the Bowman hobby box. Recap. Of course, this auto came out of that box. Orange rookie favorites McKay. This was the Bowman Chrome box. Knocking cards over. Grissom auto and Redmond auto, purple auto for the Cardinals. Okay. Alright. Finest flashbacks. We just did it, but here's the recap. Soto, Tatis, Yelich, Kyle Lewis, Luis Robert, Pham, Odor, and Yadi Molina were the refractors in that. Alright, and here is the first edition. Here's the base cards. 3 Dominguez's. 2 Luis Roberts, Poisson, Bobby Witt Jr., Laura, and Franco. Sky Blues, Manoa, Rutherford, Gill, Gorman, Franco, not bad. Casas, Elliott, Adele, not bad. Luis Robert, Varland, and Kellenick. Blue, Casey Mize. Hebert Ruiz, Bayron Laura, yellow. A sweet gold, Adley Rushman. And a orange, Miguel Amaya. And that was the break. Not bad for a little mixer, guys. It was not a bad little mixer. That was a fun little rip. Nothing crazy, but it was solid. It was definitely solid. It was a nice day-to-day, like a day-to-day player, solid in and out. That's what you want out of them, is what we got out of that break. You know, not gonna pull the door off the hinges. Not an all-star type break, but it got the job done, right? All right, guys, thank you for grabbing spots. Like I said, tomorrow I'll probably load another MLB mixer in the store, slightly different, but on the same type level of that. But aside from that, have a great night, everyone. I'll talk to you soon. Later.